Here's a clear, step-by-step tutorial to fix smartphone or tablet speaker microphone problems like audio distortion, no sound, or issues caused by water damage or lint. Step-by-step guide to fix speaker microphone issues on smartphones, tablets. 1. Preliminary checks. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot clears software glitches. Check volume settings. Make sure volume is turned up and not muted. Test with headphones. Plug in headphones to check if sound works there. If headphones work, but speaker doesn't, issue is hardware related. Check for software updates. Update your OS and apps to rule out software bugs. 2. Inspect for physical blockages, lint, dust, debris. Turn off the device. Use a soft brush, compressed air, or toothpick gently around the speaker and microphone grills to remove lint or dust. Be very gentle to avoid damage. Test the speaker mic again. 3. Check for water damage. If you suspect water damage, power off the device immediately. Remove any case and SIM memory cards. Dry the device. Wipe external moisture with a dry cloth. Place the device in a bowl of uncooked rice or silica gel packets for 24-48 hours to absorb moisture. Avoid using heat guns or hair dryers, as heat can cause more damage. After drying, power it back on and test audio. 4. Test audio using diagnostic tools. Many devices have built-in diagnostic modes. For example, on Android, dial *0*#, or use manufacturer diagnostic apps to test speakers and microphones. On iPhones, use the Voice Memos app to record and play back your voice. This helps confirm if speaker mic hardware is malfunctioning. 5. Reset audio settings. Reset your audio or network settings, varies by device. On Android, Settings, System, Reset Options. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, sometimes resets audio too. On iPhone, Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. This can clear corrupted settings affecting audio. 6. Clear app cache or test in safe mode. Sometimes third-party apps interfere with audio. Boot your device into safe mode. Search how to do this for your model. Test speaker mic in safe mode. If working fine, uninstall recently installed apps. 7. Advanced cleaning or repair. If the issue persists and physical blockage or water damage is suspected inside, consider opening the device only if you have experience. Carefully clean internal speaker microphone contacts and flex cables using isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Otherwise, take the device to a professional repair center. 8. Speaker or microphone replacement. If hardware is faulty, replace the speaker or microphone module. This often requires specialized tools and parts. Follow a detailed disassembly guide for your device model. iFixit or YouTube tutorials are good resources. If unsure, get professional repair service. 9. Final testing. After any cleaning or repair, test the device by playing music or videos to check speaker output, making calls or recording voice to test microphone, using apps like voice memos or audio recording apps. Summary checklist. Step action notes. 1. Restart and check volume, basic troubleshooting. 2. Remove lint, dust. Use soft brush, compressed air. 3. Dry device if water damage, rice or silica gel for 24-48 HRS. 4. Run diagnostic tests, built-in or third-party apps. 5. Reset audio network settings. Clears corrupt settings. 6. Safe mode testing and app removal. Identify app conflicts. 7. Internal cleaning if skilled. Use isopropyl alcohol carefully. 8. Replace faulty speaker/mic professional help. Advise 9. Final test. Confirm fix. If you want, I can also provide a device-specific repair guide or links to tools tutorials for particular smartphone models. Just let me know.